guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a kids product. It's a Stomp Rocket Battle for kids. So in case you guys are looking for a kids Stomp Rocket Battle, then maybe this review will help you. This one is from ArmoGear. So let's open this one. So yeah, this is oh wow, that's good. Connect this one. Looking like this. So when I press this one, oh yeah, do it. Yeah. Put it here. Okay, other one. Then press it. Okay. Oh, other one. Yay! Yeah.
What is it?
Good. Other one. Press it. Other one. Oh, yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. He's enjoying this one. It's really fun for the kids. So if you are looking for a funny toy, then definitely you can try this one. Other one. Red one. Put the red one. Oh. Yeah. So it's really fun.